Okay, so let me waste your time for a little bit. I'm just kidding. So today's topics are yawning, cake, childhood, and the light, whether it be artificial light or the sunlight. Anyways, that's my time. No, I'm just kidding. Yawning. Okay. Oh, don't get me started on yawning. Yawning is freaking contagious. No kidding. It's freaking contagious. Like, no matter what you try to do, if somebody yawns, you are going to yawn. And then somebody else is going to yawn. Whether it be that same person that yawned the first time, or, somebody else. But the thing is that yawning, oh my gosh, 'cause it is contagious. Like, there's no stopping it. If you see somebody yawn, you're gonna yawn. No matter what. Even if you, hold it back. No, you're gonna yawn. Like, oh my gosh. Such yawn. Very yawn. Many yawns. Alright, enough with the yawning. On to our second subject, which is cake. So there was a storm yesterday. A freak storm. It was so powerful that it made the electricity go off. And before the storm, I was going to make a cake, and I had been talking about it nonstop. This cake was so important to me. I had to make this cake. And this freak storm went and knocked our power off. Our power totally just failed. Failed so hard. Anyways, yeah, we had no power until about 11-ish today, and, even after the storm, I was still talking about making the cake today, and then I got up, got to moving around, got dressed, stuff like that. After that, I went in there, and, looked for the cake. Yeah, the cake was there. There was no frosting. There was no frosting for the cake. Okay? This is a big, huge problem. We need frosting for the cake. The cake was chocolate, by the way. So, of course, we would have needed either, I don't know, vanilla or chocolate freaking frosting. So, no frosting. Didn't get to make the cake. Sad face. Yeah, no, I was not happy about that. Anyways, after that, I watched a bit of a movie. And my brother, he called me. Went to Buffalo Wild Wings and, ate there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, that's enough about cake. Our third subject is childhood. So, it's not even being there for partial of your life. Everybody else is talking about that thing you did whenever you were 10, 9, 4. Yeah, you're not gonna remember whenever you're 4. Somehow they remember. You don't even know how they remember because you don't even remember it. Oh yeah, that thing I did. Wait, what thing did I do whenever I was 4? No, you don't remember. And, that's, you just feel awkward. Either so awkward that you just kind of crawl to your bedroom, you're like, Mom, stop, that's embarrassing, no. Or you're just like, I'm going to go to my bedroom now, yeah. Or, they're talking about something awesome you did whenever you're 4, 11, whatever age it was. And you're like, yeah, totally, I did that thing. I did that and I rocked it. And you don't even know that you did it. It's just like, yeah, I did that. 100% all me. Yep. Or you're like me, the antisocial little butterfly that I am, and you go and hide in your room. You hide in your room. Yeah. The room is the safe place. Anyways, enough about that subject. Childhood is a very rocky boat. Especially the awkward age. Anyways, our fourth subject is the light, whether it be artificial light or even, the sunlight. So, I go out to lunch with my friends, and, I walk out of the school, and it's like, hiss, oh my gosh, the sunlight is so freaking hurtful. And so, I'm just sitting there, no, stop. Anyways, I go out to the truck and stuff like that, and then we leave to go to lunch, everything's normal. In the morning, I had actually requested, this was whenever my stepfather was waking me up in the morning, and I had actually requested that the lights not be turned on, because it would burn my retinas out of my eye sockets. That doesn't feel good. That does not feel good. Feels horrible. Yeah, no. It's not fun to get your retinas burned out of your eye sockets first in the morning. So, I just started getting myself up. I was like, no. I'm just gonna go ahead and get myself up. Don't need anybody to get me up in the morning. I'll just set an alarm. A very, very annoying alarm that I named Satan. Yeah, the alarm is Satan. That's his name. To 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, I get up at 5:30 in the morning. I don't even bother to turn the lights on because, no, that hurts. Just put on a jacket, and since my night vision is so well, just go to the bathroom and, do my crap there. Anyways, after I'm done with that in the bathroom, I go and I get something to eat. Still, I don't turn the light on because it hurts. Don't like. And, get myself something to eat. Go to my bedroom. And then I turn a lamp on. That's whenever I turn a lamp on. Because then I can finally stand light. And then, I eat, get ready for my day. After I'm done getting ready for my day, yeah, go to school. By that time, I'm usually ready to see the light. Till lunchtime rolls around. And then it's like, oh my gosh, my eyes. Yeah, that's my day. Anyways, that's my time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any recommendations, then, leave them in the comment section below, as well as comments or questions. I'm always up for questions. Questions are nice. I'm also doing covers, song covers. If you would like to recommend a rad recommendation, leave that in the comment section below. Anyways, alright, keep that frown upside down. Keep that smile rocking on your perfect little beautiful face. And, that's all. See you next time.